Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Bacha, this is a special surprise, special event organized by us for PU1 student. Okay, so we are here to help you out in your preparation in the final run of your boards. Everyone who's struggling in the preparation or who are worried for their maths exam, I'm here to help you out with that. Okay, for PU1 students. What I'm gonna do in this session especially, I have solved a lot of questions. You will see that with me. I'm going to solve a lot of questions again in the MCQ section. We'll solve subjective also, 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 marker. We'll solve all the categories, okay, which will help you at least get 60% marks, 60 plus marks in your math examination, right? Not 60%, 60 plus marks in your math examination. So I hope you're here. Don't worry, just solve these questions. Do the bare minimum at least, okay? You solve all these questions comfortably and remember all the formulas that you have to know for the mathematics, and you will be able to get a good score in your examination. Trust me on that. Okay, so let's see the bacha question number 1 coming in the MCQ section. As I said, we'll solve MCQ, 2 marker, 3 marker, all of that. So let's see quickly MCQ number 1. So we have here is let A and B be two sets such that A union B is A. A union B is A means what, bacha? A union B is A, sir. It means, let's say I have set A like this and set B over here. A union B is nothing but set A only. Nothing is there, bacha. It means B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A. So if you take intersection of A and B, what is the answer? It will be simply this part, right? This part is A, this part is B. So it will be simply this part, hence the answer is set B. Answer is set B. Please check. This is your answer. Option, I'll write it over here only, B. Please check. Simple question, very simple. Let's move on to question number 2. Which of the following set is not empty set? Let me have a look on all the questions. Options that we have: x from where to where, bacha? 1 to 2. Okay, natural number. A natural number between 1 and 2. Answer me. A natural number between 1 and 2? Of course not, sir. It means this is an empty set. So option A. What is the answer, sir? Null set. Second one, x is x square minus 1 equal to 0. X is natural number. Think about it, x square equals to 1, x equals to plus minus 1. I want only natural, means x equals to 1 can be there. Hence, is it an empty set now? No, sir. Over here, it's not an empty set. For this option B, the set is nothing but 1. This is your set, right? Means your answer is simply, bacha, option number B. Your answer is simply, bacha, option number B. Is this clear? Please check. Clear? Okay. Let's move on to question number 3. This is clear, no? If you check here, for any value odd, if you take the square of x will never be equal to 4. Here also, bacha, x is an even prime number more than 2. If you take a number more than 2, which is an even number, can it be prime, sir? It can never be prime. So option C and D is incorrect. The number of proper subsets of the set, proper subsets, means the set itself cannot come. So 2 power 3, 3 is the number of elements over here, minus 1. What is this one, bacha? The set itself. That cannot come, no? Set itself can't come, sir. Okay, got it? So answer is going to be 8 minus 1. How much is that? 7. Option is C. Option is C. Please check. Have a look. Okay, let's move on to question number 4. If you have a doubt, if you want to ask something, put that in the comment section. We'll discuss it over there. Question number 4, we have U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They're asking you union or intersection of U with A dash or A transpose, A complement. So what is A complement, bacha? A complement is nothing but, sir, think about it, everything which is not A. So from the union, what is not A, sir? 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there, and 10 is there. So we have, sir, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 is part of your A complement. Okay, intersection with U, bacha, will be nothing but this only, no? So what is the answer, bacha? Same thing, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Option C is correct. Please have a look. Question number 4 is also done. Option C is correct. No doubt over here whatsoever. Simple question, right? Please do these questions. I have taken questions from your model question papers, okay, which is this year's model question paper, bacha. I have tried to go through all the questions and kept these questions over here. We'll solve almost 50 to 60 questions to help you out with your preparation of your PU1. Basic, this has to be done. and not only done, has to be done comfortably, means you understand the concept and able to solve the questions. If you are there, certainly you can score a good marks. Okay, you can pass very comfortably in the examination for PU1. Na is given as n bacha, the number of all relations. So for if you're writing bacha set A to A, you'll have n times of n relations, so n square. Okay, now you're looking for number of all relations, right? It will become simply 2 power n square, no? 2 power this number of relations, right? It's 2 power n square. What is the answer? Option C is correct. Please check. Option C is correct. Okay, I know if I'm going a little faster, forgive me for that. We have to do this quickly, sir. We have less time. I can't take a lot of time of yours. That's why I'm doing a little faster. Question number 6, the domain of the real function. Domain bacha, will there be a construction on the numerator? No, sir. You'll have to only check for the denominator. What is the condition? X square minus 5x plus 4 should never be equal to 0. If it becomes equal means never be a real number. Okay, so that's why we're looking for real numbers. So x condition on real will be like this, minus 4x plus 4. You all know the factorization, right? That's how you factorize 5x, splitting the middle term. Okay, take factors here. X minus 1 minus 4 is the common here. X minus 1 not equal to 0. From here we're getting x minus 4 not equal to 0. It means x is not equal to 1 or 4, means all real number except for 1 and 4. All real number except for 1 and 4 is your answer. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. Is that clear? Please check. Is that clear? Okay. Moving on to question number 7. Okay. So far so good? Yes, sir. The range of the real functions, which are, okay, right here, y equals to 9 minus x squared. No, that's what we do for range. Correct, right? One thing we know, it has to be positive, right? It has to be taken as positive part. Only positive will take. Okay, let's solve it for here. Take your whole square. It will become 9 minus x square. Okay. X square plus y square equals to 9, sir. Draw the graph. It's a circle. It's a circle, bacha. Right? With the radius 3. So this is 3, this is minus 3, this 3, this is minus 3. We're looking for y value, no? We're looking for y value. So it's from minus 3 to 3. Minus 3 to 3, both inclusive. Both inclusive, bacha. But we're looking for only positive value. Hence, sir, only from where to where? From here to here. Okay, what is that going to be? 0 to 3. Answer is what? D. I'll repeat myself. Answer is D. How come, sir? Only positive part. Only positive part. So 0 to 3. Right? Moving on to question number 8. Let me know if you have a doubt in any of the questions in the comment section. Question number 8, what is there? The domain and range of the signum function. Signum function, draw the graph. This is the graph here, closed here. We have minus 1, 0 and 1 as the range. So your range is nothing but minus 1, 0 and 1. Right? And your domain is all real. Is all real. Correct, na? You can take any real number. Answer will either be 1, minus 1 or 0. What is the answer, sir? Your answer is, bacha, option number A. Please check. All real and minus 1, 0 and 1. Option A is correct. Again, move on to question number 9. Domain of fx. Sec x, bacha. Sec x, sir. Domain of y equals to sec x. Sec is undefined when cos is 0. When cos 0 at odd multiples of 90. Cos 90 is what, bacha? Cos 90 is 0. Cos 270 is 0. These are odd multiples of 90. How do you write odd numbers? 2n plus 1. 2n is an even number multiplied with 2, right? So plus 1 will make it odd. So odd multiples of what? 90 degrees. How can I write 90 degree again? 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Pi by 2 is the value of 90 degree in the radians. Okay. Now remove this from all real. This is your answer. From all real numbers, for all real domain, take this part out. So from all real, remove this. 2n plus 1 times of pi by 2. Option C is correct, sir. Okay. How come, sir? Because at this value, cos will become 0. Sec is reciprocal of cos. So it means 1 by 0. If cos is 0, it means sec is 1 by 0, hence undefined. Clear, right? Simple. Moving on. Question number 10. 5 minus 3i the whole cube a plus ib. Then what is the a value? Basically the real part, right? Let's look for the real part. We know the formula for this. 5 minus 3i the whole cube will be 5 cube minus 3i the cube minus 3 times of 5 times of 3i, and we have 5 minus 3i. So wherever you find I values after the simplification, you just forget that. Only real part, right? So this is okay. 125 is okay. This part will have a I in it. Of course, think about it, it will be 27 I cube, right? I cube means I square into I. I square is minus 1, that's okay. But still have I in it. Think about it. If you have I cube, so it will become I square into I, no? I square is minus 1. I itself is I. It means minus I. You still have I in it. So this is a imaginary term. Next over here, if you multiply these two together, you'll have a imaginary, because I into 5 will make another I. But if you multiply this with this term, what you'll have? Think about it. So my relevant terms are from here 125, and from here this product bacha. We have sir minus 3 times of 5 times of 3 I times of minus 3i. Think about it. 125 minus into minus is plus. 3 into 3 is 9, into 3 is 27. 27 times 5 I square. Okay, what I have for this? Check this out. 125. For I square, we'll have a negative sign, so minus comes here. I square has a negative sign, that's why minus comes here. 27 into 5, bacha, 7 5 is 35, carries 3, 5 is 10 plus 3, 13. What is the answer? Minus 10. Option is C. Please check. Why did not check other numbers? Because they have I in it. I am looking for only A value. What does A represents? The real part. A represents the real part. That's why I am looking for numbers or parts of the expansion without I. That's why I did not consider these two terms. Clear? Answer is minus 10. Please have a look. 11th one. Which of the following is incorrect for any two complex numbers? Okay. Check this out. True, true, true. D. Let's check D, sir. What I have? Minus 1 into minus 1. So we have here I square into I square. How much is that, bacha? I into I. Root will make I into I, no? So it will be I square. What is the answer? Minus 1. What they have given? Plus 1. Hence, this is the incorrect option. This should have been minus 1, right? This should have been minus 1. They have given plus. Answer is coming as minus 1. That's why incorrect. Get it? Question number 12 now. The modulus of the complex number. They are asking the magnitude only. Okay, so that we have to simplify this. So 1 plus I into 1 plus I, I'm trying to rationalize it. 1 minus I into 1 minus I. So I get here 1 plus I the whole square divided by, what bacha? Divided by 1 square minus I square. So I get here 1 square plus I square, okay, plus 2i, है ना, plus 2i, 1 plus I the whole square is correct only. Yes. What I have over here is 1 minus of minus 1. I square is what? Minus 1, no? That's why I'm getting here 1 minus I square is again minus 1. 1 minus 1 plus 2i divided by 2. This is cancelled. What I'm getting? 2i by 2. Cancelled. What is the answer? Simply I. Okay. So I have a number here written like this. 0 plus I. What's the modulus, bacha? Simply 0 plus 1 square. What is that? 1. What is that? 1, sir. Option C is correct. Please check. Root of the real part and imaginary part is square. So that will become as root 1 becomes 1 only. Option C is correct. Moving to question number 13. Let's quickly solve this as well. What I have over here is set A has a number written from where to where? Minus infinity to 1. All real numbers. So negative infinity to 1, sir. All real numbers. So your answer will be like this. Please have a look. All this here closed to all this. Okay, all of this. We also have second one as minus 2 to infinity. Let's write here. 1 is here. I have here minus 2 to infinity. So this is again closed and goes all this way. Okay, what is my correct answer? This part, including all of that. So minus 2 to 1. Both including because we have a inequality. Check here. Less than equal to, greater than equal to. Okay, sorry. Less than equal to and x is greater than equal to. Okay. So I get minus 2, more than minus 2 x is bacha more than minus 2 and goes all the way to what you call 1. That's why minus 2 to 1. Option A is correct. Option A is correct, sir. This is clear, right? Option A is correct. Moving on to question number 14. Okay, similar question I've done in the your model paper as well, right? So I hope you can solve this as well. Over here, 1 by 8 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial equals to x upon 10 factorial. Okay, forget about the RHS part right now. Let's focus on the LHS. So only LHS I'm dealing with. LCM is what, bacha? 9 factorial. I have to multiply here with 9. This is just 1. I get here 10 by 9 factorial. How come, sir? What is 8 factorial, bacha? 1 into 2 into something like this till 8. What is 9 factorial, bacha? 1 into 2 into something like this till 8 into 9. Okay, so what is missing in this part? Only 9 is missing. That's why I multiplied this with 9. So is the numerator. So 9 plus 1 is 10. I want to make this 10 by 9 factorial to be equal to x by 10 factorial. No, that's what they've given. How do you make this what? Check the denominator. How do you make this common? By multiplying 10 over here. So multiply here 9 factorial into 10. Here also you multiply 10. What do you get? What do you get? You get x equals to 10 into 10. No? Compare this. So we get 100 over here. Compare it. 10 into 10 is 100. X equals to 100 is the right answer. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Please check. Okay. Option C is correct. Moving on to question number 15. Okay. I hope I'm not too fast. I'm trying to give you all the answers, but we have to be a little fast because of the time that we have at hand. You have exams coming up. You can't commit a lot of time. That's why. Please forgive me for that. Question number 15 now. Question number 15 now. The number of permutations of the letters of the word institute, sir. Institute. Repetitions you look for. 1, 2, 3, I and I. Total number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. No? 3 for T. We have T coming up 3 times and we have I coming up 2 times. That's why what is that? I can write TTT anyway. No? That's why dividing that. Do you write like this or like this? Will it matter? No, right? That's why I'm removing that out from here. Same here. I also removed I and I. We have 2 I's, right? That's why I removed from here. Answer is going to be option number B. Please check. Okay? Please check. I hope this is clear. Have a look. All right. Moving on to question number 16. The number of 3-digit numbers can be formed by using. Okay? What we have, bacha, over here? 3-digit numbers, no? We'll use permutations over here. This will have 9 options without repetition. No, this will have 8. This will have 7. Can you write this, bacha? 9 into 8 into 7 in the form of permutations? Of course, sir. 9p3. 9p3. Okay. What is it going to be? Have a look. 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 3 factorial. How much is that? 9 factorial by 6 factorial. What are you gonna have left over here? 987. 987. What is the answer? Option number A. Had fun? Yes. Simple? Very simple? Yes. Please check. Alright. Let's move on to question number 17 quickly. The number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards. Okay. Same unit. We have total of 4 units, no? We have total of 4 units, 4 categories. We have diamond, clubs, okay, spade and hearts. So each will have, bacha, this, no? 13C4 for this one. It's also 13C4. 13C4. Okay, here also 13C4. Each will have same thing to choose from. Okay, so you'll have 4 times of, combine all of this. So 4 times of 13C4. This plus this plus this plus this. So 4 times of 13C4. Option D is correct. Please check. Okay. Because you have to choose how many cards? 4 cards from each category. So we have 4 categories such that we have 4 times of 13C4. Clear? Moving on to 18th now. The value of 10C0 minus 10C1. Okay. Can I write this one in terms of expansion, sir? If I write this 1 plus x, let's say, power 10 I'm writing. Okay. I'm going to get this as, check this out, 10C0. Okay, plus we have, bacha, over here 10 c naught, then x power 0 will be there, no, that's why as it is. Again we can write over here, sir, 10 c1, 1 will be 1 only, and you will have x, and like that it will go till 10 c10 x power 10. Agreed? Now if I write this again for the minus sign, what will happen? The odd terms will become negative. Put a minus sign over here, you'll be having negative over here. Again power c 3 will become also come as negative here, this will be positive only. Agreed? Okay, now basically what I'm trying to say is, if you substitute bacha x as minus 1 in the expansion, you'll get the result, no? Correct, no? If you put x as minus 1, you'll be free with 1, right? If you put x as 1, sir, if you put x as 1, it'll be positive only. But put as x as minus 1, it'll become, sir, negative. So basically if you put x as minus 1, you have odd terms means powers of x will be what, bacha? Will be negative. So now you'll have the same result like this. Yes or no? So basically I'm trying to say is, if you put 1 plus minus 1 power 10, you'll have the same result. What is that going to be? 1 minus 1 power 10. What is that going to be? Simply bacha 0. Simply bacha 0. What is the answer going to be, bacha? Let me know. Come on. C. Option has to be C, sir. Yes. Had fun? Have a look. I'm telling you, this is the original expansion of 1 plus x power 10. Okay, I'm asking you to replace x by minus 1. When you do that, you'll get the original, this value they are given, 10 c naught, 10 c1. Why like that? Because odd powers of x will make you, what's a negative terms. And if it is x as 1, you won't have any x left. Okay, hence it will become simply the same expression with x as minus 1. If you put it back here, x as minus 1 will become 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Hence answer has to be 0. Please check option C is correct. Clear? Let's move on to 19th now. If A and G be AM and GM, okay, this is a standard relation, bacha. We don't have to even work 1 second on it. Arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean of any number. Okay, chaliye. So this is very simple. Let's move on from this question. Not much effort is required. Question number 20th. Yes, sir. I think this question was given in model paper also, and you had some doubts. So I hope I was able to clear that. Let's solve this over here. What we have is, line is given, they're saying parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis, right? Means x equal to some constant will be there for parallel to y-axis. A line parallel to y-axis, what is the equation? X equal to some constant, okay? It means y has to be 0. There can't be any y, bacha. The y coefficient has to be 0. The coefficient of y has to be 0, okay? So you get from here minus 4 minus k the square should be equal to 0. From here you get k square equals to 4. From here you get k equals to plus minus 2. K equals to plus minus 2. Option number B is correct. Please check. Okay, let's move on from this question to 21. The two lines ax plus by equals to c and a dash x plus b dash y equals to c dash are perpendicular. Perpendicular means if I have slope m1 for the line 1 and slope m2 for the line 2, then m1 times of m2 has to be minus 1. Let's find the slopes now. First equation, bacha, we have ax plus by equals to c. So you get by equals to minus ax plus c, right? So you get the slope m1 equals to minus a by b, sir. Same way for the second line we have a dash of x plus b dash of y equals to c dash. Same thing you're gonna do, c dash minus a dash of x, okay? So your m2 will turn out to be minus a dash by b dash. Minus a dash by b dash. Clear? What are we looking for? Their product has to be equal to minus 1. It means minus a dash by b dash into minus a by b has to be equal to, bacha, what? Minus 1. From here, please check what I'm getting. This is cancelled out. I'm getting here a dash upon b dash equals to minus 1. Cross multiply, please. You're gonna get a dash equals to b dash with a negative sign. Correct? Bring it on this side. You get, bacha, a dash plus b dash equals to 0. Have a look. Option is A. Option is A. Yeah. A dash plus b dash equals to 0. This is clear. Please check. Question number 21 is done. Moving on to question number 22. The distance between the lines. Do you have to solve this question? Of course, it's a result, bacha. Option B is correct, sir. Option B is correct. Modulus y, it's a distance, has to be positive. That's why C1 minus C2 upon root of 1 minus a square. Why 1, sir? Because the coefficient of y is 1. Coefficient of y is 1, sir. And m square is the coefficient of, m is the coefficient of your, what do you call this, x. Forgive me. Option B is correct. Okay. Moving on to question number 23. The coordinates of the focus and length of latus rectum for parabola. Okay. This is a parabola, right? Something is over here. So you'll have 4a as a length. What is that going to be? Check this out. 16 only. This is the length of latus rectum. What about the focus, bacha? A is going to be 4. So you have 0, minus 4, no? Correct, right? X is 0, y is minus 4. So your answer is 0, minus 4 as the focus. 4a equals 16 is the answer. So option has to be D, right? Option D is correct. Please check. Option D is correct. Get it? Very simple. 24th. The latus rectum of ellipse. The formula is 2b square by a. What is that? 2 times of b square is 9. What is a, bacha? Simply 5. Hence 18 by 5. Option C is correct. If you're getting a different answer, you let me know. Okay? Getting a different answer for this question, let me know. Option C is correct, I think. Yeah, 18 by 5. Okay? Moving on to question number 25. The eccentricity of the, this root 2, right? For this case, what will happen? A square will be equal to b square, no? So you'll have root times of a square plus a square by a square only. Correct now? You'll have this only, right? A square plus a square by a square. What is that going to be? 2a square by a square cancel out. You have simply root 2 left. Please check. Option B is correct. For the equilateral hyperbola, answer is root 2. Correct? Let's move on. E value is done. 26 now. Distance from the point P, X, Y, Z to XY plane. Okay. You can see this kind of questions is repetitive. Okay. Similar question has been asked in a model question paper also. So very, very important. Simple but important. Okay. We have X here. We have Y here. Z will be somewhere here. The Z axis. Okay. The point is somewhere over here. From the XY plane, bacha, you'll have only Z, right? So answer has to be Z. Please check. The perpendicular distance, no, will be like this, right? This is XY plane. Z is, the point is over here. This is your distance. What is that? Z position. Okay. So that is your answer. Yeah. Moving on to question 27. Okay. Let's solve this question, limits question. Okay. How can you solve this? Have a look. Go like this. Limit I have, bacha, sine ax upon bx I have, right? We know that the formula is there. Okay. For this case I have formula, but it has to be sine x upon x. No, means whatever it is over here, same thing has to be in the denominator. So I don't want b, I want a over here. I don't want b, so take the b out and bring the a over here. So what can you do? Take the b out, so b comes here, and multiply here a by a. Check this out. You'll have sine ax by x. Now take this a and x together. What are you gonna get? A by b sine ax by ax. Now you apply the limits. There's a constant, I can keep it outside. So this will become a by b limit x tends to 0 sine ax upon ax. This will be nothing but 1. What is the answer? A by b. What is the answer? A by b. Option D is correct. Okay. So this is clear. Good question. I hope you got this right. A by b. Why a by b, bacha? Because we have taken b common. We don't want b over here. We want a. Sine ax by x is there. No, I have to make this a to get the formula for sine. Okay. So b is taken outside and you need a. So I have added this a by multiplying a in the numerator and a in the denominator. So it becomes ax. Hence this will become simply 1. Okay. Getting the answer as a by b. Clear? Let's move on to the next part. Question number 28. what they've given here bacha, PA is 0.5, PB is 0.35, PA union B is given, right? PA or means union is given, okay, will be nothing but PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. Agreed? Right now, so what we can do over here, we are looking for this value only. We are looking for this value over here. How much is this going to be? So let's write the values so that we have 0.7, PA is 0.5, PB is 0.35, and let's call this X, okay? So what I'm getting, 0.7 equals to 0.85 minus X, so X is nothing but 0.15. So my value for PA intersection B is nothing but 0.15. Option C is correct. Please check. Option C is correct. Okay. Let me know if you're getting a different answer. Let's move on to question number 29, which is again a subjective question. Yes, we have done total of 28 MCQs. Very important because there are 15 questions which is coming for examination in MCQ, and if you include the fill in the blanks, which is again 1 marker, 20 questions, right? So 20 marks right there. So try to maximize your answers, your marks in the MCQ. If you get 20 out of 20, if you get 15 MCQs right, means you have already scored 15 marks over there. Okay, then you can again score some marks in the subjective kind and get the passing package delivered to you. Okay, so question number 29, what is that? Universal set is given as 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, whereas B is given as 3 4 5, A is 2 3. A union B, sir. A union B. First let's find this value. A union B bacha is nothing but 2 3 4 5. 2 3 4 5 will not repeat 3, will not repeat 3. Okay, now let's look for this value, A union B transpose or complement. So in the universe, remove these elements. What I get, 2 3 4 5 I'll remove, only 1 and 6 is left. So 1 comma 6. Again we are looking for the RHS part. What is the RHS part? Have a look. A complement intersection with B complement. First find A complement, sir. What is A complement of Chacha? A complement is everything other than A. So 2 3 is removed, 1 4 5 6. 1 4 5 6 is A complement. Intersection with B complement. So remove 3 4 5. We have 1 2 6. 1 2 and 6. What is common between them? Only 1 and 6. So this answer would come as A complement intersection with B complement is nothing but 1 comma 6. This and this is equal, right? So RHS is actually equal to LHS, sir. Hence proof. Please check. Simple question, 2 marker. Okay, it's a 2 marker question. Came for 2 marks, sir. All right, chali. Let's move on to question number 30. Quickly we'll do. I understand if you find the session little fast, but we have less time bacha to cover up. I don't want to take a lot of time of yours. That's why I'm keeping it a little faster. Okay, I hope you agree. Define GIF, draw the graph of it, and also write its domain and range. Okay, GIF, right? What do we write? The result will always be integer. Okay, chaliye. So domain bacha will be all real, negative infinity to positive infinity. We have range. The graph will be different over here. Let me draw it for you. The graph will look like this. At this point you'll have a close here, open here, closed here, open here, closed here, open here, like this. Correct? Again over here, open, closed, open, close. What are these points? These points, if you remember, I can write it over here. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, this bacha will be -1, -2, this is again -1, and this is a -2. Okay, this is closed bacha, this side is closed. Okay, this is closed. So if you check, the range is only integers. So range is only integers. Positive, negative, both is okay. Okay, and what about domain, sir? Domain is all real numbers. Domain can be all real numbers. Okay, that's it. The graph is defined over here. You can see the graph. What is the graph for? Y equals to greater integer of x. Okay, y equal to greater integer of x. This is the graph. Chali. Okay, definition. A function which makes or which gives you outcome in only in terms of integers, right? You take any real number, it'll give you an integer. Okay, means if I take some example, if you want 2.5, this answer is 2. You take sir 2.99, answer is 2. If you take sir 3.001, what is the answer bacha? 3. the examples. Please check. Let's move on to question number 31 now. This is done. This is clear. Let me know if you have a doubt in question number 30. 31 now. The function f is defined by fx equals to 1 minus x when less than 0. Okay, we have to draw the graph. Okay. Less than 0 means this is a critical point, 0 is a critical point. At 0 value is 1, so we'll go to 1. Okay, we'll go to 1. Before 0 bacha, before 0 the graph is 1 minus x. So negative slope, this is the graph. Okay, and after 0 bacha, the graph is x plus 1. This is the graph. How come this is the graph, sir? Can you justify? Of course I can. Take this graph, y equal to x. Y equal to x. Where is this graph, bacha? This one. This one, right? Not from here, of course from the origin only. And then plus 1 means move this graph by 1 unit. So if you move this graph by 1 unit over here, like this, you'll get this only, no? If you take, what is this curve? This is y equal to x plus 1. What is this curve? Sorry, only x. This is a y equal to x plus 1. This is y equal to x. Okay, and this is y equal to x plus 1. The graph is moved by 1 unit. That's why the change over here, same thing. 1 minus x is this, y equal to minus x. This is the curve. What y equal to minus x is the curve. Add 1 to it. What is this curve, bacha? Minus x plus 1. Y equal to minus x plus 1. The graph is moved up across y axis by 1 unit. Is it clear? Okay, I will not need the two graphs. I'll erase it. Just to explain you, I've taken the graph. X is over here plus 1, so moved up. Minus x is over here plus 1, so moved up. Why two parts, bacha? Because after 0, no, the graph is of x plus 1. Before 0, sir, graph is minus x plus 1. Clear? Okay. Just wanted to explain you how this graph is, received, or how we are getting this graph. Chaliye. This is not part of the answer. Just wanted to explain you the transformation. Great. Let's move on with the next part. What we have? Question number 32. 31 is done. 32. Let's solve it. What do we have over here, bacha? F R to R be defined. Very simple question. F plus G, F minus G, F into G, and F by G. Do one thing. I'll give you this as homework. You solve this question. Very, very simple. You solve this question. Okay. Solve and leave your comment. Leave answer in comment section. Answer in comment section. I hope this is clear. Just let me know question number 32. Answer is this, sir. Part A. Mention it like this. Part A. So part A is F plus G. Part B, sir, or part 2 is F minus G. Part 3 would be F gx, so fog of x, and part 4 would be F by G. So please give me answers like this. Part 1 this, part 2 this, like that. Okay. So we'll move on to question number 33. I think this is not a problem, right? So if you want, you just add these two to get F plus G, subtract these two to get F minus G. In F, replace x by 2x minus 3, you'll get fog. I'll repeat. If you want, I can solve this part. In F, no, in the function F, replace x by 2x minus 3. What will happen to this? Wherever the x is, this value will come. 2x minus 3 plus 1. Answer is 2x minus 2. How much is that? 2 times of x minus 1. So I've given you the third part answer. F by G, just the division of the two functions. Okay. So let's move on to question number 33. Prove that cos 6x is this value. Difficult? Not actually. Very simple. Okay. You have learned this in trigonometric functions. Please check. We know one formula for sure. Cos 2x is bacha 2 cos square x minus 1, and cos 3x is bacha 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Agreed, right? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is cube actually. I can write it better. Just give me 1 second. I hope this was clear. Okay. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is the formula for cos 3x. Okay. So what is going to be cos 6x, sir? So right here, cos 6x as cos of 2 times of 3x. So first we can apply this formula, no? We'll get what, bacha? We'll get here 2 times of cos square. What is the angle, bacha? X will be replaced by 3x, no? Minus 1. Okay. Good thing is already have minus 1 in the RHS side, so that's not a problem. I've taken only RHS, okay? Alright, sir. What else we have? Chaliye. So, okay. What are we going to do about this? Right here 2 outside, right here cos 3x the whole square minus 1. I can do that. Cos square means the whole square only. Okay, now write the formula of cos 3x. This formula, 2 times of 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, okay, the whole square minus 1. Can you do that now? Please check. 2 is outside here, whole square, no? So 4 square is 16, sir. Cos cube square will be cos power 6. So cos power 6x, this is a square, plus b square, let's write. We'll have 9, no? We'll have 9 over here. So it'll become 9 cos square x. And last one, the negative part. 4 into 3 is 12 into 2. What is I'm doing, sir? 2ab term. 2 into 4 into 3 is 24. So minus 24. And this cos x into cos cube x. So cos 4x. This is over. Then there's a minus sign. Okay. So I can continue on this side. Now open this bracket with 2. We get 32 cos power 6x. We'll write bacha 48 term first, okay, because that's what they've given. 2 times of 24. 2 times of 24 will be minus 48. So minus 48 cos power 4 is there, right? Last this one, 9 into 2, 18 cos square x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. That's what it is in the RHS. So put it equal to RHS. Hence proved, sir. Start from LHS, getting equal to RHS. Hence proved. Is it difficult? Of course not. Let's move on to question number 34 quickly. Okay. So sin 3x. Sin x is 3 by 5. Cos y is minus 12 by 13. Our goal is not to only solve this question. Our goal is to solve these questions very quickly. Okay. So because bacha, we are here to help you in getting the best marks possible at this small crunch of time. So I've taken all chapters, taken some good questions from all the chapters and going to solve it over here with you. Okay. So let's solve these questions. Question number 34, we have sin x is 3 by 5, cos y is minus 12 by 13. They have given the x and y, both angles are in the second quadrant. Check this out, very important. Second quadrant. Why, sir? This is pi by 2, 90 degree, and this is pi, sir. That's why. Both x and y, not product, both angle x and y is lying in second quadrant. Second quadrant, only sine is positive. Sine is positive, sir. What about cos, bacha? Cos will be negative, sir. That's why you have cos y negative. So the goal is, if you are writing cos x, no, it'll become negative only. It'll become negative only. Okay. So you can find cos x and sin y in 2 ways. One way is triangle. You can use ratios. You can use the ratios. Okay. Mention both the ratios like this. You know the Pythagorean triplet, right? This is sine, right? Let's say this is x and this is y, no? So we can write it like this. 3, 5 will become automatically 4. 3 square plus 4 square is 5 square, no? And for y we have this as 12, 13. So it will become, sir, 5, 12, 13 are again Pythagorean triplet. 5 square is 25. This is 144. Sum will be 169. Okay. So either use this or you can use the bacha identity also. So for sine square you can use 1 minus cos square theta. So cos, put the cos value. After this, from the root take the positive for sine, and for cos you take negative. Okay, I can use any of them, so I'm going to use the triangles. I hope that is okay. Chaliye. So let me find the value of cos x first. Cos x will be nothing but, please check here, 4 by 5. But positive or negative, sir? Negative, because cos is negative. So minus 4 by 5. Sin y, bacha, is going to be 5 by 13. Positive or negative, sir? Positive. Reason, because, sir, sine is positive in the second quadrant. Okay. What are they asking? Sin x plus y. Sin of x plus y. Open this. Formula is there. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Put the values that we have. Sin x is nothing but 3 by 5. Cos y is minus 12 by 13 plus cos x is minus 4 by 5 and sin y is 5 by 13. We can solve this. 12 into 3, bacha, minus 36 by 65. Okay. All right. 12. Cos x will be 4, no? One second. Sin x is 3 by 5 and cos y, correct. No, sin x and cos y is correct. So this is this, and this will be minus 20 by 65. I'm getting the answer as minus 56 by 65. Acha, I'm not sure. I think I got the right answer, but if I'm getting a different answer than the correct one, let me know in the comment section, okay? But this is the answer that I'm getting. Minus 56 by 65, okay? So if you're getting a different answer, put it in the comment section. We'll discuss over there. 34th answer is minus 56 by 65. Let's move on to 35. Cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2. We have to prove that, okay? So let's take LHS. Let's take LHS, bacha. We have cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3. We know one formula is there, okay? What is that? 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to, okay, by 2 equals to cos square theta. Right or not? Think about it. 2 cos square theta equals to, bacha, 2 cos square theta minus 1 is nothing but cos 2 theta. That's a formula, right? We have this formula as well. Cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Please check. Same thing is being used over here. Okay? 1 second, I can erase this part. Only the numerator is enough. Let's solve this now. So we have cos square term over here. I'm going to use this side. It'll become 1 plus cos 2x by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2 times of x plus pi by 3 whole thing, right, by 2. We have again plus 1 plus cos 2 times of x minus pi by 3 by 2. As you can see, I have 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So can take it common? Yes, sir. It will become, 3 by 2. No, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, sir. It will become 3 by 2. Constant part. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Alright. What about the other one? I can take 1 by 2 common. Keep it like this. Cos 2x as it is. This one. I again have 1 by 2 common between the cos terms also. They both have denominators. Both terms have the denominator of 2, right? That's why I'm taking this 1 by 2 here common. Cos 2x plus cos 2 times of x plus pi by 3 plus cos 2 times of x minus pi by 3. Let's use the formula of cos A plus cos B. Okay. What I'm getting over here, 1 by 2 as it is. Cos 2x as it is. For this bacha, I'll get plus 2 times of cos this plus this by 2. So what will that be? Cos of, please check this value, bacha. It will become 2x plus 2x, right? So 4x, correct, right? Check this out. You'll have 2x plus 2 pi by 3, okay, plus 2x again minus 2 pi by 3. I hope you're able to get this divided by 2. This is only the first part. I'll explain again, don't worry. Cos of this angle A plus angle B by 2. So check this out. 2 into x is 2x, 2 into pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. Over here 2x minus 2 pi by 3. Okay, this is only one part. I'll have again one more thing. Cos of A minus B by 2 also, right? So write this cos of A minus B also. Same thing will be happening. 2x plus 2 pi by 3. There's a minus sign over here. Minus 2x minus 2 pi by 3. Again whole thing divided by 2 I already have. There's a big bracket like this. Please understand this. Okay, I hope this is clear. Not visible this side. I'll write it again. Don't worry. This part is a little confusing. I'll write this part again, bacha. 1 second. It'll become 2 pi by 3. Now better? Yes, there's a minus sign, sir. This is A minus B. Here A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2. Here A minus B by 2. A plus B by 2 and A minus B by 2. Now check this out. I have this and this is cancelled. Okay. And I have over here, sir, positive of this. No, that's not that part. Excuse me. 2x will be cancelled over here, no? Alright. Give me 1 second. 2x with this 2x is cancelled. How come, sir? Plus 2x minus 2x cancelled, okay? What I am left with now, please check quickly. I can write it over here one last step. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 outside bracket. Cos 2x is as it is, okay? Plus 2 is there. What I'm getting now? Cos. First cos you check. First cos. You have 2x plus 2x. 2x plus 2x is 4x, right? 4x by 2, bacha, is nothing but 2x only, na? Please check. 2x plus 2x is 4x by 2 is 2x only. And what about this bracket? We'll have cos again. 2 pi plus 2 pi. 4 pi by 3 divided by 2. 2 pi by 3, so. Please check. Correct, na? 2 pi plus 2 pi is 4 pi by 3 divided by 2. So 2 pi by 3. So we can write this. We can transform this like this. What we have so far is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. I have cos 2x. Then I have plus 2 cos 2x cos 2 pi by 3 I have. Right? Cos 2 pi by 3 I have. We have to change something over here. Please give me 1 second. I'll solve this question very quickly. Cos 2x plus 2 you write as it is. This also, 1 second. This also you write as it is. Okay. And this you write as cos of pi minus pi by 3. How come, sir? Pi minus pi by 3 is bacha 2 pi by 3 only, no? Pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. Second quadrant. This is second quadrant, so negative. Answer is there, bacha, now. Please check. Cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x times cos pi by 3, bacha. But negative sign, na, sir. How come, sir? Second quadrant. This, bacha, this angle is in second quadrant. Hence, negative sign is there. Negative of cos. Okay. So what I'm getting now? 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x. Over here what I'm getting? This is a minus sign of course. So minus 1 by 2, right? So I get here 2 and 2 is cancelled. Plus cos 2x and minus cos 2x also will be cancelled. What I'm getting here? Simply 0. So my answer is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 times of 0. Hence answer is 3 by 2, nothing but your RHS. Proved. Very good question, bacha. Excellent question. Can be asked in 3 marker or 5 marker. Can be asked in 3 marker or 5 marker. Have a look. Okay. Let's move on to next question. 36 now. This is very simple now. Very, very simple. Z1, Z2 is given. Find this condition. What we have? Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 divided by Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. So if you take this sum, what will happen? If you add them, 2 minus I, 2 minus I plus 1 plus I, and we have plus 1 again divided by, what I have over here is 2 minus I, okay, minus sign will be there, 1 plus I, and we have plus 1. Okay, we are looking for modulus value only. This is cancelled here. Numerator will become 2 plus 1, so 4. I have over here, bacha, 2 minus I minus 1 minus I plus 1. Okay, so this I and 1 is cancelled. What I'm left with is 4 upon 2 minus 2I. Okay, so I can take, bacha, 2 common. It will become 1 minus I. 2 will be cancelling with this. I'm getting here 2 upon 1 minus I. Okay, so we'll try to take this in the numerator. We'll try to take this in the numerator by doing the complement. Okay, by actually rationalizing, we'll get 2 upon 1 minus I times of 1 plus I upon 1 minus 1 plus I. Okay, modulus is there. What I get now? 2 times of 1 plus I as it is, divided over here with 1 square minus I square. This will remain as it is. 2 times of 1 plus I, okay, divided by 1 plus 1, no? This part is clear, right? What I'm doing over here is rationalization. Okay, so from there I get, bacha, 1 square minus 1 I square will be negative only, right? This is negative minus 1 will become plus. 1 plus 1 is 2, so this is cancelled. What I get? Check this out. Modulus of 1 plus I, how much is that? Root of 1 square plus 1 square, how much is that? Root 2. This is the answer. Please check. Answer is root 2. If you get a different answer, let me know in the comment section. Okay, try this out. If you are thinking that it went too fast, try from your side. Please have a look. This is clear. Let's move on to question number 37. Okay, find the number of non-zero integral solutions of equation. Very difficult. 1 minus I, the modulus is there, power x. Let's find modulus of this, bacha. It will become 1 square plus 1 square to the power x equals to 2 power x. What I get? Root 2 power x equals to 2 power x. What I get? 2 power 1 by 2x equals to 2 power x. Base is common, it means 1 by 2x equals to x. Over here I get x equals to 2x. It means, sir, x is equals to 0. Okay, I have only one integral solution. No, they're asking find the number of non-zero integral solution. So no, the answer is no, bacha. We are asking for non-zero integral, right? Answer is none. What is the answer? None, sir. Non-zero, right? There is no non-zero. Only one is there. So 0. Okay, please check. Okay, let's move on to 38 now. Okay, acha, I have done this question for you because there was a calculation required over here. I didn't want to take a lot of time. I'll explain it to you quickly. Chaliye. What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? So we are choosing 4 cards of what is the first category? 4 cards of same suit. Okay, so from one suit, which is, let's say we have diamond, club, spade and hearts. From diamond we are choosing 4 cards, no? So 13C4, I can choose any way. Again here from clubs, 13C4 plus 13C4, 13C4. We are choosing 4 cards of same suit. So that's why this is the answer. You get this as simply 4 times of 13C4. You can solve this 4 times of 13 factorial upon 4 factorial into 13 minus 4 factorial. Right? The answer will come as 2860. Please check. Go ahead, check it out. You can get the same answer, 2860. Now second part, what are they asking? 4 cards belong to 4 different suits. Again, bacha, 4 cards means you will have one from one category, right? Means let's say this is to be diamond, this is to be club, okay? This is to be from spades and we have from heart also. Okay, so each category will have only one card. That's why 13C1, we are picking only one card from this category, one card from this category, one card from this category and one card from this category. That's why 13C1, but all that has to be true at the same time. Means we have to pick one from here and one from here and one from here and one from here. Then only we pick 4 cards, right? We have to pick first card from one category, second card from second category and like that, fourth card from fourth category and all of them together. 1 and this means in multiplication. So 13C1 power 4, answer will come as 28,561. Please check. Go ahead, solve this if you want. Try from your side. Homework. Please try. Let me know the answer. I explained it to you, but give me the answer. Why here multiplication? Why here addition? Because either 4. Think about it. 4 from any suit. So either 4 from the diamond, or 4 cards from the clubs, or 4 cards from the spades, or 4 cards from the heart. Okay, so means either this or this or this or means plus. That's why plus sign over here. Here and first from here, second from here, third from here, fourth from here. 4 cards from all the 4 different categories. Okay, that's a multiplication and sum. 38 is done. 39 now. Find the value of n such that. Simple question. NP4, sir, will become n factorial upon n minus 4 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 1 minus 4 factorial equals to 5 by 3. Can I simplify this? It will become n factorial upon n minus 4 factorial, okay, into n minus 1 factorial, and this will go up n minus 5 factorial. This will go up, bacha, right? And this will come down. Okay, so I can cancel this and this with 1, with n actually, and cancel this and this with simply n minus 4. Correct, no? N minus 4, what is the next term? N minus 5, right? That's how it is. Here, what is the next term? N minus 1. So I can cancel this with n. Over here I can cancel with n minus 4. Not sure, do one thing. Write the factorials of this. Write n factorial, bacha. You'll get n times of n minus 1 times of n minus 2. How much is that? Basically n times of n minus 1 factorial. Same you write over here, n minus 4 factorial. So it will become n minus 4 times of n minus 5 factorial. Okay, that's why I'm cancelling with n minus 4. Is that clear what I'm getting now? N upon n minus 4 is 5 by 3. Cross multiply now. Cross multiply. Check the answer here. I get 3n equals to 5n minus 40. Sorry, 20. Excuse me. 20. 1 second. 20, right? 5 into 4 is 20. From there I can get, bacha, 20 equals to 2n, so n equals to 10. Please cross check. This is your answer. N value is 10. Have a look. This is clear. 3 marker. Okay. Question number 40 now. If find A if 17th term and 18th term of the expansion is equal. They're saying, sir, T17 is equals to T18. Let's find T17. We have the formula T of R plus 1 is nothing but NCR. First term is 2, so 2 power N minus R, okay, times of A power R. Correct. Now first term will be NC0, right? That's why this is like this. That's why I'm writing a TR plus 1 as NCR, 2 N minus R and A power R. How come, sir? Because if you're writing T1, no, you'll have NC0 there. Okay, great. So what we can write over there, think about it. Okay, so let's write bacha T17. It'll become NC, so there's N is 50 right over here. They've given N value as 50 over here, so I don't have to write this. Check this out. So I have to write this as 50C. What is R value over here? Please compare. So R will be 16, no? So 50C16, 2 power 34 and A power 16, right? A power 16, right? Okay, right here now T18, what will happen, bacha? Same thing, 15C17 this case. How will you get this? Put R equals to 17 only, no? In this formula, 17 plus 1 is 18. 17 plus 1 is 18, that's why I'm putting R as 17. So this will become 17, 2 power 33 and A power 17, right? They are both equal, no? They are both equal, T17 and T18 are equal. It means if you divide them, you'll get 1 only, na? If you divide them, you'll get 1 only, right? Do one thing. 1 and 2 is there, divide them, okay? Divide 1 by 2, what do you get? What I get over here is, check this out, 15 factorial, okay, upon 16 factorial into, okay, I need more space for this. I need more space for this. I can solve on this side. 1 second. I will solve on this side. Okay. So I can write this part first. Let's say it will become 15 factorial upon 16 factorial into 34 factorial. How come, sir? 15 factorial by 16 factorial into 15 minus 16. So 34 factorial. Okay. Into 2 power 34 into A power 16. Is that clear? First equation. Second one, divide this. What I have? Same thing, 15 factorial by 17 factorial times of 33 factorial. Correct, na? 15 minus 17 is 33. Okay. Again, you have 2 power 33 and A power 17 equals to 1. How come, sir, 1? Check from here. If you bring this 18 on this side, it will become T17 by T18 equals to 1, sir. They're equal, no? That's why they have to be proportional. The ratio has to be 1:1, right? Okay. So now check this out. This and this is cancelled. Okay. This I will cancel with this with 2 left over here. This will cancel with this with only A left over here. What else I have? Something very interesting. Have a look. 16 will cancel with this, bacha. You'll have only 17 left over here. This will cancel, only have 2 left over here. What I get? I have in the numerator side 2 by 2. In denominator, what I have? A by 1 second. What else? Okay, no, not 2. 34, na? 34. 33 and this will cancel with 34, right? So 2 by 34. Excuse me. I can explain this part. I made a mistake. Just give me 1 second. 1 second. I have 33 factorial over here. So I can write 34 factorial as 34 into 33 factorial, no? 1 second. So I will write it over here. I have more space. So 34 factorial will be nothing but 34 into 33 factorial, right? Same thing. So I can cancel this and this with 34. Okay. So 2 by 34 and A by 2. A by 2. Please check. So no, not A by 2. A by 17, right? Have a look. A by 17. But silly mistakes. 1 second, sir. Please be a little patient with me. This is getting cancelled with 17. I have only 1 here left. This also is cancelled. Okay. So I have nothing left here but 1 by A equals to 1. It means A equals to simply 1. If you're not sure with the calculation, do it yourself. Do it by yourself. Very simple, actually. Very simple. Please check. 40th is done. Okay. Let's move on to question number 41. If A and G are respectively represents the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of 2 positive real numbers, then show that A is greater than G. How to write, bacha, A? Remember this? How to write 8, bacha? It will be nothing but 2 numbers. A and B is there, right? So A and B by 2. How do you write, bacha, G? It will be, sir, root of AB. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's find here this value. A minus G. What will this become? a plus b by 2 minus root of ab. Correct na? Root of ab. Let's do one thing, take LCM now. A plus b, okay, a plus b minus 2 root ab becomes equals to 2. Becomes equals to 2. Okay. What is this, bacha? A minus g only. Right? So I can write this as, think about it, it'll become root a ka square plus root b ka square minus 2 times of root a into root b divided by 2. So this will become root a minus root b the whole square divided by 2. This is a minus g. Think about it. So this a minus g, this value is either positive or 0. So this value is either positive or 0. Positive means greater than 0. 0 means equal to. So a minus g has to be greater than or equal to 0. Bring this g on this side. It will become a greater than or equal to g. Proved here. Please check. Done, sir. Have a look. This part is whole square. No, so either 0 or positive. That's why either 0 or greater than. Answer is done. Moving to question number 42. Find the sum of the series up to n terms for this 0.6 plus 0.66 plus this. Very simple. No, we'll get here GP, right? So I'll not solve this. I'll give you a hint. You have to solve and let me know the answer. Homework is 42. Question number 42 is homework. Solve and give you answer. Give answer, sir. Okay, where? In the comment section. Solve and give answer. Okay, how do you solve it? Take here 6 common first. You're going to get this as 0.1 plus 0.11, right? Not 0.2. Excuse me. 0.11. All right. 0.11 plus 0.111 so far. Okay. Do one thing. Multiply and divide by 9. You get here 0.99 plus 0.99 plus 0.999 and so much. Right, like this. 6 by 9. 1 minus 0.1 plus 1 minus 0.01 like this, plus 1 minus 0.001 and so far like this. What I'm getting over here, bacha? So 6 by 9, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it's going to be n times, right? It's going to be n terms. Here they are given n, so n only minus. Take my sign common, what I have. 0.1 is 1 by 10 plus 0.01 is 1 by 100 plus 0.001 is 1 by 1000 plus so on till n terms. Solve it for GP. First term is 1 by 10. Common ratio is again 1 by 10. Okay. Solve it and give me the answer. Leave the answer in comment section, sir. Leave the answer in comment section for question number 42. Chaliye. Done. I'll move on to question number 43 now. Okay. I hope this is okay. Chaliye. What is this? Again, I've taken some of the work over here, taking the answer just to, not waste our time doing it. Of course, we have less time. That's why all of this you can solve it from your side also. Very simple question. I'll show you. Find the distance of the line 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. Distance of a line, okay, of a point 1, 2, which is lying along the line. This means this point Q is lying on the line PQ. Equation of line PQ is given here, 2x minus y. I'll repeat myself. There is a point Q 1, 2 lying along the line this, and they're asking what's your distance. It means, of course, there will be a point of intersection, no? This and this. This point is lying along this distance. Let's say this was this distance, no? Let's say this was this distance, okay? Even in that case, this will become the equation 2x minus y, because the point Q is lying on the line of this equation. Of course, then this line and this line has to meet. Then only you can find the distance between the line 4x plus 7y plus 5 and the point Q1, 2. Correct, na? So we are finding this distance, and of course this point lies on this line. Okay, chaliye. So what we're going to do is find the point of intersection of the line 2x minus y and 4x plus 7y plus 5. How can you do that, sir? We have equations, we'll solve it. From here what we get? We get y equal to 2x. Put it in the first equation. 4x I have plus 7 times of 2x plus 5 equals 0 I have. So 14 plus 4 will be 18x equals to minus 5. So x equals to minus 5 by 18. So what is y, bacha? Y will be 2x, na? So y will be minus 10 by 18, right? Correct, now? Please check. Yes, so if you put here y equal to 2x, it will become 7 times of 2, 14x, plus 4 is 18, minus 5 is this, of course. So minus 5 by 18, and y is minus 10 by 18. What is the next step? Very simple, sir. Find the point like this, P and Q distance. This is the P coordinate, right? The P coordinate is x given here, minus 5 by 18, comma, minus 10 by 18. Or simply you can write here, minus 5 by 9 also. Minus 5 by 9 also is correct. What you can do is, very simple, take this out, 1 plus 5 by 18, and here bacha, plus the whole square of course, and here I have 2 plus 10 by 18. Okay, cancel this, it will become 5 by 9 the whole square. Okay, so I'll have this as 18 plus 5 is 23 by 18 the whole square. Over here I have 18 plus 5, 23 again, 23 by 9 the whole square. You can solve it like this from here. Solve it please, you're gonna get this answer. This is your answer bacha. This is your answer, so please check and let me know you're getting the same answer. 43 is done. Let's move on to question number 44. This is done bacha. 44 we'll solve quickly. Define the parabola. Do we know this, right? A point, a locus of a point which will be equidistant from the fixed line directrix and the fixed point focus. Focus will be, sir, what? A comma 0. Point will be what, sir? X comma y. Okay, so this distance and this distance will be always equal. What is this distance, bacha? Minus a comma y, sir. Minus a comma y, no? So basically what they are saying is, this is let's say A, this is let's say B, this is C. They are saying that AC equals to AB. Find AB, sir. It will become x minus a the whole square. Okay, let's find AC is there, no, first. Let's write AC first. Okay, so you'll get what? X minus minus a. So x plus a the whole square. How come, sir? X minus minus a. So x plus a the whole square and plus y minus y. So simply 0. This equals to, this is formula, right? X minus a the whole square plus y square. Y minus 0 is y square. Okay, distance, locus of the point which is equidistant from the fixed line and the fixed point, directrix and the focus. Okay, chaliye, what we can solve for this? I have x square plus a square. I can remove the root, no, from here and here by squaring on both sides. S square plus a square plus 2ax equals to x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square. I have something getting answered here, 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 here. Bring this on this side, I get, sir, 4ax equals to y square. Equation is derived, bacha. What are they asking? Find the length of large rectangle. Okay, if you can find it like this from here to here, it will come out as 4a. Length will be what, sir? 4a. It will be, sir, 4a. Please check. All right, this is done. 44th is done. 45th now. Find the coordinate of the point. This is your homework. So I'll tell you how to do it. What is your homework? Please solve and give me the answer. Solve and comment your answer. Please check. What you can do for this? Find the coordinate of the point which trisects. So trisection means 2 points, right? We have 2 points given here. A, P. Point A is this, bacha. Sorry, they have given P and Q. I can't take A and B in that case. They have given, bacha, the point P and Q. Okay, so I cannot change the coordinates value, right? So P will be 4, 2 and minus 6. There is a Q over here which will be having 10, minus 16 and 6. We have 2 points here, A and B. 2 points here, A and B. Okay, trisection means, bacha, this means this is going to be, let's say from here to here will be what, sir? 1 to 2, right? So do one thing, using the section formula, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, nx1 upon m plus n, this is for x, right? Same we'll have for y and for z. Where is this going to be? So this is going to be your m value, this is going to be your n value. So use this, okay? If you're taking this as m, this is your x2. So use that to find this value, coordinate of a, x, y, z, coordinate of a, x, y, z. Once you get that, once you know the a, you know the d, q value, find the midpoint formula for this. For b point, no, use midpoint of AQ. What's the formula? X will turn out to be x1 plus x1 plus x2 by 2. Excuse me. Same for y and z. So for the A point, use the section formula, okay, with the ratio 1:2, and for B point, use the midpoint formula for A and Q points, okay. Please check. This is clear. Let's move on to question number 46. All right. Chaliye sir, what we have proved that limit sin x by x when x tends to 0 equal to 1, okay, where x is in radian. Doesn't matter. We have to prove this limit. We have to use what, bacha? L'Hopital rule. We have to use, sir, L'Hopital's rule, sir. What do you do this? What do you do in this? Differentiate under the limits. So what we have given over here, limit sin x by x, x tends to 0. Why we do this rule, bacha? Why do we use this rule? To eliminate indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Agreed? Right now, if you put it like this, you're going to get sin 0 is 0 by 0. What is the form right now? 0 by 0. Correct now? You put x as 0 right now, you get sin x by x will be 0 by 0. To eliminate that, let's differentiate under the limits. Limit will remain as it is. Sin x will become cos x. X will become 1. Now you put it back. It will become cos of 0. What is that? 1. So we have proved it. We have proved now, sir. Limit sin x by x when x tends to 0 is nothing but 1. Please check. This question is done. As simple. Yes, 3 marker. Please check. 46 is done. 47th now. Find the derivative of this, bacha. How do you solve it? I'll tell you. Use here a simple formula for polynomial. For the second one, you have to use, of course, quotient rule. Find this. F dash of x will be given like this, no? Right here. Let's write the f of x first. I'll make some change in the function. So let's write f of x first. It will become 2 times of x plus 1 power minus 1. Okay. And here you can write, bacha, x square by 3x minus 1 only as it is. Not a problem. Differentiate now. F dash of x will become 2 times of, what will get? Minus 1. Okay. X plus 1 power minus 1 minus 1. This is done. Minus. Differentiate this, bacha. What are you going to get? First for this we will get 2x. Keep this as it is. 3x minus 1. Correct, now? Check this out. I have x square over here. Differentiate that, you'll get 2x. First you differentiate the numerator. So 2x, this is as it is. There will be a minus sign. Now keep x square as it is. Differentiate the denominator. You're going to get simply 3 over here. Nothing else. Divided by what I have, 3x minus 1 the whole square. Okay. Please check. What I'm getting over here is minus 2. Minus 1 into this. Minus 2 upon x plus 1 the power 2. How come, sir? Here the power is minus 1, no? So minus 2 will become 2 in the denominator. Agreed? Okay, the rule of exponent. Chaliye, what else I have over here? It becomes a 2x into 3x is 6x square minus 2x. Okay, and minus 3x square divided by 3x minus 1 the whole square. Simplify this, you're going to get this answer as minus 2 upon x plus 1 the whole square minus 3x square minus 2x. 6 square minus 3x is, how much that, bacha? Will be minus 3x square minus 2x by 3x minus 1. Please check. This is your answer. This is your answer, sir. Let me know if you're getting a different answer. Let me know if you're getting a different answer. This is done. 47th is done. If you're getting a different answer, you let me know. Question number 48 now. I have taken this solution already over here to save some time. No other reason. So we have 10 to 20 going up to 70 to 80. We have to supposed to find what? Mean division across the mean. So we have to find first thing as mean. So I've already found the mean over here. Please check. How do you do that, sir? They're given class interval and frequency. So find class mark. What is this, sir? Class mark. How much is that? Mid value of this. 15, 25 like this till 75. 70 plus 80, 75, no? Difference is, the middle value of this is 75 only. Excuse me. Fi, 15 into 2 is 30, 75, 280, 630, 440 like that till 150. Sum of this will turn out to be 1800. Divide by 40, this is sum is 40. Get the x bar or mean. This is the value of mean as 45. What is this, sir? Xi minus x bar. So class mark minus the mean. So 15 minus 45 is minus 30. This is a modulus, so 30. Same way you get 20, 10, 0, 10, 20, 30 for the different elements. Okay. Next you have bacha fi into xi minus x bar. What is fi, sir? 2. 2 into 30, 60. 3 into 20, 60. 8 into 10, 80. 14 into 0, 0. 8 into 10, 80, 60 and 60. Add them, it's coming as 400. We're looking for what, bacha? We're looking for mean deviation across the mean. Formula is over here. Sigma fi times of xi minus x bar. The mod divided by sigma fi. 400 by 40, answer is 10. Please check. Clear? 48 is clear. Have a look. Simple, right? Very simple. So please do one thing. Solve question on each category. Mean deviation across median, variance question also you solve. Okay, and yeah, so you have to solve 3 questions. One minimum of 3 you solve. One across mean you solve. One across median you solve. One across variance also you solve. Practice these formulas and the questions, then you go in the examination. This is a must. One question is coming for sure, bacha. One question for 5 mark is coming for you. Please solve this question without fail. Question number 49 now. A coin is tossed thrice. 3 times, right? So I have H, H, H. I'm writing some sample space. H, H, T, H, T, T. What I have? T, 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 H, T, H. Okay. T, H, H, T, H, T. Okay. And we have T, T, H. Anything else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. 2 power 3, correct, no? A coin is tossed means we have total number of outcome in one event is 2, total number of event bacha 3 times, right? 2 power 3, how much is that? 8 only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any repetition, please check. No, sir. No repetition. Okay, this is correct only. What are the first thing they are asking? First thing is no head appears. No head means all tails. No head means all tails. So for no heads, we have 1 by 8 as the answer. No head means 1 by 8. Only all tails. No head means all tails. 1 by 8. Second part. What is the result, bacha? What is the what is your event over here? T, T, T. Okay, that's the event. Okay, outcome I'm writing, nothing else. What is the second one? At least 2 heads. At least 2 heads. This will mean 2 head and 3 head, na? 2 head and 3 head. Please check. 2 head and 3 head, write the sample space. What we have, 2 head and 3 head. One is over here, H, H, H. Okay. 3 head is done. Now take for 2 head, bacha, we have HST. HST we have. More than this, HTH we have. Anything else we have, sir? THH also we have. THH. These are the condition for at least 2 heads. 2 head, 2 head, 2 head and 3 head. At least means minimum of 2 and more than that is also okay. So at least 2 head means we have 4 samples space such that. What is the probability, bacha, for this part? You can get this as 4 by 8. How much is the answer? 1 by 2. What are they asking? Check whether the events are mutually exclusive. Anything common between them? Anything common between them? Nothing, sir. It means they are actually mutually exclusive, sir. Mutually exclusive, yes. What is the answer? Yes, they are mutually exclusive. 49th is done. Let's solve the last question. 50th. What is that? A committee of 2 persons is selected from 2 men and 2 women. Okay. So we want 2 persons from committee of 4, right? That's total number of combinations. Total chances, bacha, will be 4. See 2 only. Choosing 2 from 4. Committee of 2 persons to be selected from 2 men and 2 women. So 4C2, what is that going to be? 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial will become 4 into 3 by 2. How much is that? 6, sir. Let's solve the questions now. First part, what are they asking? Probability that the committee will have no man. No man. No man means what, bacha? No man means what? No man means only women or 2 women. No man means 2 women. Okay. No man means 2 women or also means as no man. This will become what, bacha? From 2 women that is there, okay, 2 persons, we have to choose both as women only, right? So 2C2, no? Please check what is the way to choose it. Answer is 1 only. 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 1 factorial. Answer is 1, sir. Correct, na? Answer is 1, sir. Okay. So you're looking for probability, right? You're looking for probability, right? So it'll become, this is not a probability, bacha. This is the ways to choose it. This is the ways to choose it. Okay. Probability will be 1 by 6 actually. Probability of choosing no man will be 1 by 6. Acha, you get it, right? Why I'm writing 2 women or no man? If I'm choosing no man, means both slots in the committee will be filled by women only, right? No man means 2 women. That's why I'm writing it 2C2. From 2 women that is there in, to choose from, we're choosing both of them, means 2C2. Okay. Answer is 1 out of what, bacha? Total chances is 6. So 1 by 6. The total of 6 ways to solve it. The total ways is what, bacha? Total ways to choose is 6. One way to choose no man. One way to choose is no man, which is choosing both the women. So 1 by 6. Part 2 will solve now. Part B. What is that? 1 man. It means, sir, the committee will have 1 man and 1 woman. Okay. So number of ways to do that is, number of ways to do that will be what, 2C1 and 2C1. Okay, what I get? 2 into 2. 2C1 is what, bacha? 2. Please check. 2 into 2C1 will be this only. If you're not sure, you can do it. If you're not sure, you can do this calculation. This is multiplication, okay? 1 man, 1 woman, okay? Intersection is there. So it's not 1 man or 1 woman. It is 1 man and 1 woman. So intersection is there. So 2 factorial by 1 factorial into 1 factorial, because 2 minus 1 is 1 only, into 2 factorial by 1 factorial into 1 factorial, okay? What is going to be 2 into 2? How much is that? 4. Probability will become 4 by, probability will become, 1 second, sir. Probability of what, bacha? No man, sorry, 1 man, right? 1 man will become 4 by 6, simply 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Now we'll solve the C part. What is C part, sir? We have 2 men. So number of ways to choose 2 men. Number of ways will be what? 2C2 only. 2 man is same as 2 women, no? Both person will be, what, sitting in the committee as man and man, right? Here man and woman. In the first one we had only woman. Last one is only man. So 2C2, what is the answer going to be again? 1. Probability will become, bacha, what? 1 by 6. Please check. First answer is 1 by 6. Second answer is 2 by 3. Third answer is 1 by 6. Simple question. I hope you got it. This completes your session, bacha. Have a look. So this completes your passing package for PU1. We have worked hard to give it to you right now. So let us know how you felt about the session. If anything is missing, let us know that as well. So whatever we can do, we'll try to come up here and help you with that. Okay. So all the best for examination. Keep working hard. Okay. Whatever time you have at hand, I know it's not that much, but please deliver. Please work hard to achieve your goal. Okay. You already have got the passing package for other subjects. For mine, it's here. Please do solve these questions and let me know how you felt about this. And again, let me know after examination, were these questions helpful that as well. Okay. So with this, I'm going to end the session now. Keep working hard, keep smiling. Take care. Bye-bye.